Hey guys, hope you are good. So today I am gonna teach you some complex questions of superposition theorem. So please watch the class till end and you will solve the questions easily. And how? Let's see. So today we will gonna solve this question having few resistances, that is 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, two voltage sources 5 volt, 10 volt and one current source 2 of 2 ampere. So following our previous steps that we followed in our previous video, that is step 1, activating 10-volt source and deactivating deactivating other sources. So this diagram will become 1 ohm. So these two resistances are in series with each other, so I can make this diagram a little bit modified. This is 2 ampere, this is 10-volt source, okay, and this current source will be open circuit. So open circuit with 3 ohm resistance in series with 4 ohm resistance, and this voltage source becomes short circuit. So this is the modified diagram. Now we will get resistance, that is R equivalent, equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 8 ohm. So current becomes I is V upon R equivalent 10 upon 8, and this is equal to 1.25 ampere. Okay, now current in 1 ohm is 1.25 ampere, and same in 3 ohm we have 1.25 ampere, and in 4 ohm we have 1.25 ampere, and in 2 ohm we have 0 ampere because current doesn't pass through the circuit. Okay, now step 2, activating 2 ampere source and deactivating other sources. So the modified diagram will be like 1 ohm with a short circuit in parallel with 2 ohm resistance having voltage source, a current source of 2 ampere in series with 3 ohm in series with 4 ohm, and it is in short circuit. So suppose this is current I, which is dividing in current I1 and current I2. So we will get current I1 is equal to total current 2 into resistance of opposite direction, that is 1, upon total resistance, that is 4 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 8. So we will get 1 by 4, which is equal to 0.25 ampere. So current I2 becomes total current minus I1 current, we will get 1.75 ampere. Now step 3, activating 5-volt source and deactivating other sources. So we will get this diagram: 1 ohm resistance having short circuit, 2 ohm resistance with open circuit in parallel with 3 ohm resistance, which is in series with 4 ohm resistance having a voltage source of 5 volt. So we have R equivalent equal to 4 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 8 ohm. So current becomes V upon R equivalent, and V is 5 upon R equivalent 8, which is equal to 0.625 ampere. So we will get total current is equal to 1.25 ampere plus 1.75 . As we are finding only current in this direction or this part of the circuit, so we will only consider 0.25 ampere. In our first part, we are taking current from left to right. Similarly, here we are taking current from left to right, but here the current is moving from right to left. So we will take this current in negative, so minus 0.625, which is equal to 0.875 ampere. So this is the total current in this circuit using superposition principle. So this is all about this question, gentlemen. Hope you understand this question. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any other question to be discussed here, do comment below. In our next video we will learn few more questions. Thank you.